Hello, my pretty. This is Anime Girl 8792. It's 2017. No, wait. It's 2020. It's because Miss Guerriero, Nicole Guerriero, collab with ABH have made a comeback. This was in 2017. Now it's in 2020. It's rarely, especially a collab item, to come back 3 years later. Ironically, when this was released back in 2017, the beauty industry was having a lot of newness. Now in 2020, it's oversaturated. Noted in 2017, at that time I was into buying makeup and swatching makeup, but wasn't actually using makeup like I am now in 2020. The first one, I remember swatching it and playing with it and then give it to a friend because I wasn't actually using it on my face. But in 2020 now and onward, I'm going to use this on my face. This is the first item that I'm really interested in the ABH line. I haven't been interested in this brand since the Novena eyeshadow palette that had the same packaging as the Modern Renaissance. So yeah. Nothing new. Here's the 6 shade. And here's the 6 swatches on the palm of my hand. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm gonna use Kitty Cat all over my eye first because I want that eyeshadow goodness. It's gonna be a shimmery highlight look. It's like that highlight challenge but for your eyes. I remember I rarely use 143 because it's pretty dark and it's not my kind of gold. So I'm going to put this in the corner of my eyes. I'm going to use Daydream all over my lid. I'm going to use Forever Young on my nose because I don't like color highlight on my nose. Ooh, this is pretty. It's like my nose is gleaming for the gods, same with my eyes. Then I'm using Forever Lit on the other side of my face. Oh, this is glowing for the gods. I like Forever Lit. I'm gonna add that in the corner of my eyes. I know it's already highlighted enough, but why not? I'm not really going out. I'm gonna highlight it for the gods. Oh, I forgot my upper lip. I can put Kitty Cat because I already put it on my eyes. Now my lip. Oh, ooh, I can mix Kitty Cat and Glow Getter. Make a pinky gold look. I don't know. It does make it look like I have just basically highlight on my lip. No color. Whatever. Okay. Here's the Nicole Guerriero all over my face and my eyes. This is a pretty short review.